Hello friends, myself Rohit. Here I am going to show you how to configure a switch and router in the CLI mode. So my aim is to basic configure the router and switch in the given topology. So let's see how how we can configure the switch in the CLI mode. So this is the switch. So you can see the CLI mode. To in the CLI mode, now my password is like this. Already I already set my password, so I will show you how to set the password. So this is switch. To enable the configure mode, to use the same user mode, we have to put the command as enable, like en. Then it will come for the password. So again I have to press password for that. Again it will ask the password. So now it will show the switch mode. So now in the switch mode, if I want to show the versions, so I have to press show version. So you can see the version of the switches, like this one 634888K byte of flash simulated non-volatile configure memory. You can see the mode version available here. Now if I want to see all the commands in the switch, I have to press this one, press question mark. So it will show all the command for the switch. You can see that all the command. Now in the switch mode, now if I want to set the host name, so I have to press this one, set host name, then put some other name, whatever you want, Rohit, like my name also, Rohit. Host name, like now switch show MAC address, enable pass. Now if I want to put any password in this switch, I have to press enable, then password, enable, then password, like whatever you want, just press that. Like if I want to press Rohit, it will show enable pass. So first comes in the configure mode. To configure any other command, we have to use this configure mode, configure terminal. Now you can set your name also, like host name, like Rohit. Now your switch name is Rohit. You can see that this one, Rohit. So now I want to set my password. So enable password. Enable password. Whatever you want to give password, you can give, like Rohit. So it set as password Rohit. So now for the login, I have to press the password, like for login. First give the console 0. What the benefit in this? It will enter you in the line console 0. It will in the line console 0. It will take you in the console mode. Now you want to set your password, like password. Give my name, type this one, Rohit. You can see the password is set as Rohit. Now I want to log in. you can easily log in this switch. So then the exit mode, exit. So next exit. So these are all the switch mode. These are all the switch command. Now we want to see the this router. For the router, to make this router as enable, we have to press en to enable the router. Now we want to configure our router, like config T. Then it will comes in the configuration mode. Then after coming in the configuration mode, we just give the interface password, then the interface password for the given switch. So interface fast Ethernet, and give interface fast Ethernet, and give any IP address in that. So what is the IP address I already assigned? You can see that this one, the IP address. So copy it. Already I gave it to, so no need to again. Interface fast Ethernet, then IP address, then give that IP address 192.168.10.1, like this one, right? Then 10.1, and the IP address then 192.168.0.1. then give the subnet mask also 255.255.255.0, and you can the IP address is set. Now for the PC, which what IP address I already set at 10.20. for the this is the PC mode. In the PC I have to set the IP address, and the next PC I already have to set the IP address. So this is the default gateway. By that it will communicate with each other. So this is the default gateway for that. Now if you want to ping that ping that to PC, so you can see that, and then ping. You can see that the connection is successful. Now I will show you the ping. This one IP address is 10.20. then you can see that ping. Go to the command prompt and ping 192.168.10.20. you can see that it will get the reply from that PC, and that time is 0 second, and then the byte is 32 bit. So this is how you can configure the switch and the router. So this is my program. Thank you for watching.